What if I told you that you have a hidden power, a side of you that is bold, fearless, and unstoppable, a side you've been hiding all this time, just waiting for you to unlock it? It's time to stop holding back. Time to embrace your inner strength and take control of your destiny. Imagine Peter Parker, a shy, average guy, quiet, reserved, unsure of himself. But when he puts on the suit, when he taps into that alter ego, he becomes Spider-Man, powerful, unstoppable. Then there's Bruce Wayne, a billionaire playboy by day. But when night falls, he steps into the shoes of the Dark Knight, a hero, a force of nature. What if I told you, you could tap into that same power? You could create your own alter ego, a persona that brings out your best, most confident, and most dominant self? Step 1. Define your alter ego. Just like Peter Parker has Spider-Man and Bruce Wayne has Batman, your alter ego needs a purpose, a goal, a vision that pushes you to greatness. What does your alter ego stand for? Confidence? Power? Fearlessness? Choose the qualities you want to amplify and design your alter ego around them. Make it bigger than life. Here's the trick. Don't just think about who you are right now. Think about who you want to become. Your alter ego should be the version of you that shows up when the stakes are high. When you need to win, to lead, to take charge. Think about what you would do if you weren't afraid. Think about what would change if you were limitless. Step 2. Change your mindset. Your alter ego is more than just a name. It's a mental shift. When you step into this role, you need to leave your insecurities, your doubts, your fears behind. You need to believe 100% that you are this new person. Start seeing yourself through the eyes of your alter ego. Imagine how your alter ego would think, behave, and react in situations where you'd normally feel uncertainty or fear. This persona doesn't second guess. It doesn't question its worth or capabilities. It simply moves forward with confidence and purpose. By embodying this alter ego, you're rewriting the story of who you are and how you show up in the world. It's about fully embracing your potential, shifting from self-doubt to self-assurance, and taking bold, unapologetic action toward your goals. Step 3. Embody the traits of your alter ego. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. Your alter ego isn't something you turn on and off. It's something you embody in every action you take. If your alter ego is fearless, you need to practice courage every single day. You step into situations where you might normally hesitate. You push yourself out of your comfort zone. You face your fears head on. Your alter ego is not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about revealing the version of you that's already inside, but one you've been too afraid to show the world. The more you step into this persona, the more real it becomes. And eventually, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just be that person. Step 4. Take action without hesitation. Your alter ego thrives on action. You can't afford to wait for the stars to align or for fear to subside. You need to create your own opportunities, make your own path, and never, ever back down. Every small step you take brings you closer to becoming the person you envision. Your alter ego doesn't overthink. It moves forward, despite challenges, setbacks, or uncertainties, because it knows that action is the key to growth. Every time you act with purpose, you build momentum. Momentum that makes it easier to keep moving, even when things get tough. Your future self isn't waiting around for permission. They're out there creating their own reality. And so should you. You've got everything inside you to be unstoppable. So, today, right now, decide who your alter ego is going to be. Decide to unlock the power within you and start living it. Remember, it's not about being someone else, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. Your alter ego is waiting. All you have to do is step into it. If you're ready to tap into your full potential and start transforming your life, don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement videos. Until next time.